Hello guys, so this is Sayam, the Jersey God, and I'm back to you guys with another unboxing video. Making this new video after such a long time, too busy with work and other personal things. So today I'm going to unbox a soccer jersey in this video. I'm going to unbox this Real Madrid 25-26 away kit. So this jersey is play version and this is size 4XL, and this is one of the best Real Madrid jersey of all time. I love this jersey very much because of its color and its silver look. So I'm very happy with this jersey. So let me take this jersey out and give you a glimpse of this jersey, of this beautiful jersey. So, so this jersey is plain. I don't have any player print, number, or any patch. I just have a HP sponsorship on a sleeve. That's it. So let me show you quick detailings of this jersey. So this is 4XL. We got Adidas logo. It's written 4XL and it's written made in Vietnam. Yeah, and you see these three stripes, silver three stripes. These are rubberized heat pressed guys onto the jersey. And see, this is also rubberized heat press. And I paid extra $1 to get this jersey with this Intercontinental Champions 2024 FIFA patch. So even this is rubberized heat press guys. This is we got Adidas logo, and this is made up of plastic, which is heat pressed onto the jersey, guys. And we got this Real Madrid logo. This is also made of plastic, which is totally heat pressed onto the jersey. We got this Emirates sponsor. Fly Emirates is a very old sponsor of Real Madrid. We got this Emirates Fly better sponsorship. So this is heat pressed onto the jersey, guys. We have this paper tag onto the jersey. It's have Real Madrid crest. We got Adidas logo, official licensed product. Some detailings, and at the back we got this barcoding and sizing. Let me show you the inside tag of the jersey, guys. We got this inside tag. Yep. So you see this green color line onto this jersey, which is attached to the neck. It's have such a unique neck, guys. Actually, this jersey, it's uh, this is the same neck as 2006 Adidas jersey template. So this is inspired by 2006 Adidas jersey template. You must have saw the Argentina's 2006 World Cup away jersey, that blue one, dark blue one. So it has similar neck to that. Yeah, and we got some detailing over here. It says authentic licensed product. This is heat ready jersey, guys. This is 25-26 jersey, so this is heat ready. And we this is the back of the jersey, guys. Back of the jersey is totally plain, so I don't have anything to show in the back. But the quality of this jersey is really good. So let me wear this jersey. I want all of you to see the fitting of this jersey. So as you can see me wearing this jersey, so being a player version jersey size 4XL, the jersey fitting is really good. We have 46 inches of chest. We have 33 inches of length, which is totally acceptable for me because I love to wear two size up um, than my original size. So for me, this jersey is totally perfect. So I would like to give this jersey 5 stars out of 5 stars. So that's it from my side in this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section down below. And just like my videos, share my videos to your friends, to your sports loving friends. Um, I'm sure that it's going to help them. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. So peace, guys. Thank you.